General Dynamics Electric Boat, a core division of General Dynamics Corporation, has been awarded a $322.6 million contract modification by the U.S. Navy's Naval Sea Systems Command, according to a report by Zacks Equity Research on August 15, 2025. The agreement covers ongoing engineering services, technical assistance, design agent responsibilities, and planning yard support for both strategic and attack submarines. Most of the work will take place in Groton, Connecticut, with project completion scheduled for September 2025. This contract highlights the Navy's sustained focus on maintaining its undersea capabilities at a time when global maritime competition is intensifying. With a significant portion of the U.S. submarine fleet approaching the end of its operational life, the Pentagon is increasingly relying on industrial partners like Electric Boat to bridge the gap between legacy platforms and the newer Columbia and Virginia-class programs. Cold War-era submarines are nearing retirement, creating an urgent need to preserve operational readiness while simultaneously advancing next-generation designs. Through continuous engineering oversight and lifecycle upgrades, Electric Boat ensures that both strategic and attack submarines remain capable of meeting evolving mission requirements. Electric Boat has been steadily expanding its infrastructure to meet the growing demand for submarine sustainment. In recent months, the company acquired several properties across southeastern Connecticut to enhance production capacity and operational support. A prominent development occurred in June 2025 when Electric Boat purchased a former Macy's store in Waterford and transformed it into a dedicated logistics and engineering hub. This facility focuses on submarine sustainment and modernization, reflecting broader trends in the U.S. defense industry as it adapts to increasing undersea operational demands. These strategic moves demonstrate Electric Boat's commitment to supporting both the current fleet and future submarine programs, underscoring its central role in U.S. naval power projection. Technically, the contract encompasses critical systems that define U.S. undersea superiority. For the Columbia-class ballistic missile submarines, the work includes integration of the Common Missile Compartment, developed in collaboration with the United Kingdom, which houses the Trident 2D5 strategic missiles. These missiles remain a cornerstone of the nation's nuclear deterrent, making the integration and support of the compartment vital for strategic stability. Meanwhile, for the Virginia-class fast attack submarines, engineering efforts focus on the Virginia Payload Module, which substantially increases the boat's strike capabilities. The module accommodates additional Tomahawk cruise missiles and is being prepared to host future hypersonic weapons, ensuring that the Navy's strike platforms remain technologically advanced and operationally versatile. Planning yard functions also form a key component of this contract. Electric Boat will oversee modernization efforts for sonar arrays, combat control systems, and propulsion technologies. These upgrades enhance acoustic stealth, endurance, and survivability, enabling U.S. submarines to operate effectively against increasingly capable anti-submarine warfare networks deployed by potential adversaries. By maintaining high standards of engineering oversight and lifecycle management, Electric Boat helps preserve the operational effectiveness of the existing submarine fleet while new construction programs advance, ensuring seamless capability transition. The U.S. Navy faces scheduling and supply chain challenges that make sustaining the current fleet even more crucial. Columbia-class ballistic missile submarines, originally planned for delivery by the end of the decade, have experienced delays, while the Block V Virginia-class boats, equipped with the new Virginia Payload Module, have also encountered production setbacks. Until these next-generation platforms are fully operational, the Navy's reliance on maintenance, upgrades, and design support is critical. The ongoing contract ensures that existing submarines remain fully mission-capable, preserving U.S. deterrence and undersea operational capabilities in strategically sensitive regions. From an operational perspective, the award provides the Navy with a decisive edge in both deterrence and forward deployment. Continuous engineering support enhances fleet availability, enabling attack submarines to maintain deployments in contested waters such as the South China Sea and the North Atlantic. Upgrades to missile payloads, acoustic quieting measures, and electronic warfare resilience directly strengthen the Navy's capacity to conduct covert intelligence gathering, precision strike operations, and sea denial missions. Strategically, Columbia-class boats guarantee uninterrupted nuclear deterrence patrols, while Virginia-class submarines provide rapid response options and flexible strike capability, enhancing the Navy's ability to project power across multiple theaters. The urgency of these modernization efforts is reinforced by significant advances in Russian and Chinese submarine programs. Russia continues to deploy Boryai-A-class ballistic missile submarines and Yazan-M-class nuclear-powered cruise missile submarines, both equipped with advanced quieting technologies and long-range strike systems. China, meanwhile, is rapidly expanding its Jin-class, Type 094, fleet armed with JL-2 ballistic missiles and is developing the next-generation Type 096 submarines designed to carry JL-3 intercontinental ballistic missiles with extended range. Beijing is also investing heavily in its Type 093 Bishan-class nuclear attack submarines, intended to rival Western fast attack capabilities. These developments collectively shift the balance of undersea power and reinforce the importance of U.S. efforts to maintain technological and operational superiority. The contract also reflects the broader evolution of naval warfare technology. Stealth materials, acoustic suppression techniques, undersea surveillance networks, and long-range precision strike capabilities are increasingly shaping submarine design and operational support requirements. Market analysis predicts that the global submarine sector will grow at a compound annual rate of 4.2% between 2025 and 2030, highlighting the strategic, technological, and economic significance of undersea warfare. This growth trend underscores the importance of industrial partners like Electric Boat in sustaining and advancing naval capabilities. General Dynamics Electric Boat's role extends beyond new platform construction to long-term sustainment and modernization, solidifying its position at the center of U.S. and allied undersea power. By providing comprehensive support for existing submarines and ensuring readiness of future classes, the company guarantees that Western naval forces maintain a decisive operational and technological advantage. The integration of advanced missile systems, acoustic quieting technologies, and propulsion improvements ensures that U.S. submarines remain a formidable deterrent and strike capability in the Atlantic and Indo-Pacific theaters. As undersea warfare continues to consolidate its strategic importance, this latest contract exemplifies the U.S. Navy's commitment to maintaining a credible and technologically superior submarine force. Investments in sustainment, design authority, and lifecycle upgrades bridge the gap between legacy platforms and future capabilities. By bolstering fleet readiness, the Navy ensures that its submarines are prepared for both strategic deterrence missions and rapid response operational requirements in contested global waters. In doing so, Electric Boat remains a critical partner in preserving U.S. maritime dominance and technological edge, shaping the undersea landscape for decades to come.